Okay, my camera died or something, but I'll keep going here. And there's some more that came along, and I don't see them. They are right there at the center, way off over there. Great big swarm of birds, man. God is good, and good is God. There's another swarm over there, and they'll meet up right here in the middle, bam, and then separate out, and like, that is so cool. And then they'll form again way over here. Yeah, it's beautiful. See if I can get any closer. That forms out. They're way over there, and then they'll come this way, and then they'll turn, and they'll swoosh the other way. Way over there. And they'll be right back. See, the sky is so cool. The sky's so empty. And then here they'll come out of the left. Yep, they're way, here they come. Let's see here. Alright, well, they're coming back this way. See, there's that gob of birds. I guess they broke up a little, and then here come over the top. They're breaking up and heading that way. Seems like they've lightened out. Well, that might be it, because they're going to be migrating. The cooler it gets, all these birds will head south for the winter. I kept calling them magpies, but I don't know if they're magpies, if they're martins, but they're an English, they're like Americanized English magpie, because they're not a crow. There they go. And they just whoop up and down and around and do their thing, man, and it's beautiful. It's like just a aerial orchestra of, I don't know how, thousands of blackbirds. It's so awesome. Oh yeah, pequeña, bellísima, rananana. There's the two, and they're gonna meet right there through that tree and swoosh around. Okay, wow, look at that. The swarm on that thing, and they backed over this way. And they're consolidated in a lump, and there's another one behind it, and now they're switching back over. It's so cool. And then they meet up there, and then back across here. Just so awesome. They're way over there though. There's like tens of thousands of them. This is a small swarm here. They've broken up. There's a swarm way over there. And now they're coming to head. Okay, they should be meeting. Over there, way over there. Oh, they'll be back. They'll be right. See? That thing keeps getting bigger, and then it swoops around. Get up in there. The bird brain action. Wow, this thing. See, these were like bats right there at the edge of that thing, and now they're just in a circle. Lean back, softly talking and show it. That tree wasn't in the way, but it'd be great. That's okay, here they come. That is awesome. Oh. A little fluke off the end and here headed back over. They're like, oops, we made a mistake. Ooh, here they come. This thing keeps going out of focus because it's getting dark. Let's do that. Leave it right there. This is going to be best case scenario. Okay. Yeah, and they're gone, right? They will be back. Beautiful cloudless sky. Probably 70 degrees. There we go. More bird brain action. Headed that way. They're just, now they're way over there. They were, the other night they were almost right overhead. They were like way up here and stuff, messing around. I got a lot of sky. Well, they're just tinkering on the edge there. That's probably gonna do it. Cause they're way, they're just way over there now. I can tell. Well, wait a minute, man. Here we go, another swarm coming. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Yep. And yeah, they're headed that way now. They're getting smaller. That's just one small flume because it's getting dark and this camera sucks. Alright, well, that's some bird brain action for you. Haha, the light's on.